Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a mask with the filter pocket. I've been meaning to post this a while back when I posted the other ones, but I just haven't had time because, like I said before, I was making masks. So I wanted to show you this one. I made this one because I'm running out of interfacing as well as some other items. So this is an easy way to make one so you can use a disposable coffee filter, which I do have. So right now I have this piece of fabric, which is really pretty. It's a fat quarter. I cut this at 14 by 9. I see a lot of people doing it at 14 by 8 or 10 by 8. I like full facial coverage, above my nose, a little bit above my nose and completely under my chin and up to covering the sides of my face before my ears. So I made mine longer, but again, this is 14 inches by 9 inches and I have two pieces of elastic here, 7 inches long. So let's get into making this. Okay, so now that we have this folded in half, we are going to take our measuring tape here and come in 3 inches on each side because we want to make sure to leave enough room for our pocket. And so this will be the opening for our pocket so you can insert the filter. So we're just going to sew up to 3 inches, about 1/4 of an inch or 1/8 of an inch down, whichever is best for you. Always backstitch. Okay, now without taking out our thread, I'm just going to move this along to the other side and sew. Okay, so now that you have that part done, what you're going to do is fold this down just a bit, or pull it down just a bit, like so. Then you're going to open this up and press it down. Okay, so here is our opening. As you can see, our opening is right there. So now we're going to put our elastic in and sew it shut. So you're going to do this just kind of as we did the others. It's pretty much the same concept. I want to thank all of you who went and downloaded my fitted mask pattern. I really appreciate it. So if you're watching this, thank you so much for downloading that pattern. It is free, by the way, for those of you who are looking to do a fitted mask. I do have a free pattern which is available for download on my website, which is linked in the description. So now we're just going to sew down both sides. Okay, so now that we have it sewn, sorry again for the noise in the background, but now that we have it sewn, we're going to turn it right side out. Okay, so let's just press this down. Okay, so now we're going to make our folds. I think for me, I'm just going to make 2, but you can make more if you need to or if you want to. It just depends on your look. When you wear it, you're going to unfold it anyways, so it's totally up to you. Okay, so now you're just going to sew all the way around and then we'll be done. Okay guys, so this is what our mask looks like. It's just like the pleated mask. The only difference is it has the pocket filter inside. I mean, it has the pocket filter. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, it has the pocket, so you could put the filter inside and you could dispose of it every day if you know, are a frontline worker or something like that. But if you have to go out and you're wearing masks, it gives you that option to replace the filter every day. Like I said, I heard that coffee filters are really good, so I have a ton of coffee filters for people that I'm making this for. So yeah, this was actually faster than the pleated mask, the other pleated mask that I made. So you can also use this same concept, the way we just use one piece of fabric instead of 2, to do the pleated mask if you want. The pleated mask with the 2 layers of fabric obviously is a little bit thicker, but then that one also has the interfacing in it. But yeah, I like this. I think this is going to work out really well. I do have some frontline workers that need this, so this is the method I will be using for that, so that they have the pocket to remove the filter daily. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to give me a big old thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked in the description. Please make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload a video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.